Hi everyone, this is Try3 Science for Wednesday, June 10th. So it's going to be a shorter video today. If you still need directions on how to finish up your renewable energy stations activity, you want to go back and watch yesterday's video. So the Tuesday, June 9th video will give you complete directions for finishing your stations activities. By this time in the week, you should have watched and completed the June 8th and 9th Edpuzzle videos and questions. You should have completed the CK12 Section 2.7 Google Notes doc on renewable energy resources. And yesterday you should have completed at least the first 3 stations for the renewable energy stations. Today I am going to take a couple minutes and just show you, if you are having trouble with the Adobe Flash Player, I'll show you a couple things that you can do to get that working. And if that still doesn't work, you can always email me for some help. So week 5 reminders are the same as they were yesterday. Definitely pay attention to this first bullet point here. If you are not watching the Edpuzzle video but you're turning in work, I'm returning that work to you ungraded with a note that's reminding you to watch the Edpuzzle video first. You don't want to do that backwards. You really need to watch the Edpuzzle video first because it is giving you a lot of information, directions, and notes that you will need to be successful in completing the assignment. So you want to watch that first. There's a reason that's listed as number 1 on your daily assignments, and then you want to go ahead and do the rest of your assignment. So if you're seeing things returned to you ungraded, that's probably why. Check the comment section. Join me in office hours. I've adjusted my office hours a little bit. I'll show you that. There's just one small change. Remember, you've passed the halfway point. After this week, we only have 3 weeks left, so that is some good news. Unless you need some extra time to bring your grade up, in which case those opportunities are shrinking, so you want to work hard these last 3 weeks. And we will have a pre-honors meeting today at 3 o'clock, so make sure you use the correct link for Big Blue Button to get to our pre-honors meeting today at 3. So here's our assignment. It is the same assignment as was posted yesterday because we're still working on Renewable Energy Stations Lab. Hopefully yesterday you did the watch it, the research it, and the explore it. So today you're going to finish up with read it, illustrate it, assess it, and play it. And then turn that in. You want to submit that by midnight for the final time so that it can be graded. So, if you are having trouble with the Adobe Flash Player for simulations and games that I assign you, here's something that you can try, and I'm going to show you this and walk you through these steps, but I thought I would just put them in writing so you could go back and follow this. You want to go to the 3 buttons in the top right corner. When you open up Google Chrome, you'll go to Settings, and under that you'll find Site Settings. There you'll find Flash, and you want to allow, under the Allow button or the Allow topic, it allows you to copy a web address in there. So if we want to do Climate Kids, I'll show you what mine looks like. You can copy the web address in there and then it'll allow Flash to run for that website. If this doesn't work, I'm going to walk you through these steps. If this does not work, you can also try using Internet Explorer as your browser. Sometimes it doesn't work with Google Chrome, but it'll work with Internet Explorer. You just want to look for the blue E on your home screen or down along your taskbar. And if all else fails, we have a help desk run by Mr. Christ and his team. If these solutions don't work, you want to submit a help desk ticket at this website, techsupport.cityhigh.org. And when you get there, you can click on the new ticket. It looks just like this, the new ticket button in the top right corner. All right, so let me show you these steps real quick here. Okay, so if you open up Google Chrome, and you want to go to these 3 buttons. It says Customize and Control Google Chrome. So you want to click on those 3 buttons. And then you want to find your way down to Settings. When you click on Settings, you'll need to scroll down a little bit, but you'll find the Privacy and Security. So the Site Settings is what we want to look for. So click on this arrow over here. And when you scroll all the way down, you'll find Flash. Now, if this is turned off, you'll want to change it to Ask First. When you click on that, you can check this button that it'll say blocked, or it asks first. So that just gives you a message. Do you want to allow Adobe Flash to run on this website? And then you have the option of saying yes. Okay, so it's not blocked for any sites, but if you don't have anything here for allow, see, this is what I had to do. I had to allow, click that allow button, or sometimes you have to copy and paste this web address right here, and it will allow Adobe Flash to run on the Climate Kids NASA page. Okay, and if you want more details, you can actually go and see all of this, the permissions that you're giving it. But to allow is what you want to do. Okay, so if you don't have this in here, if you don't have the option when you're at Climate Kids to say yes, allow it, then you'll need to come here, click this button on, and you'll need to copy and paste the website in here. Okay, and then you can just close that out, and you shouldn't have a problem with it. And if you're still having a problem, email me. We can take a look at it. Mr. Christ is really good to get back to you if you're having an issue, if you submit a ticket, so he can help you. He can even do some things remotely on your laptop to make sure that you can do that. Please do not turn in the document just saying, oh, it wouldn't let me do this, so you just left it blank. You at least need to reach out and ask a question or let me know that you're having trouble before you just turn that in without answering those questions. So please make sure that you're doing something to try to help yourself and to fix the problem before you just turn in something that's going to cause you to lose points. Okay, so same daily reminders as yesterday. I think we're getting good at this now. Make sure you're watching the Edpuzzle video. I sent out some reminders today. Some of you are still not doing that, so you're getting assignments back ungraded. So now you know why. Make sure you're clicking the submit button whenever you're leaving that Google form so it'll save your progress. And make sure you turn that in for the final time by midnight tonight. So come and see me. I miss you. I'm in my office waiting for you. I'll answer your questions. We can talk about science. We can talk about other stuff. It doesn't have to be science. Tell me how you're doing. Do you have any vacation plans for the summer? What are you looking forward to doing in July? Come in and see me. I did make one quick change, 10 to 12 noon, and instead of 1 to 2 and 3 to 4, I'm going to go straight through 1 to 3. However, if you need me from 3 to 4, just send me an email and we can set up our own meeting. Okay, so we'll do 2 hours of office hours straight through. That'll free me up at 3:30 on Wednesdays to do our pre-honors meeting, and then if you need me anytime between 3 and 4, send me an email and I'll get back to you. All right, guys, good luck with your assignment. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time.